Hey guys, it's me Rajul. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another food vlog. And today we have come to one of my favorite restaurants here. I've only had food in this restaurant for like once. That also not even this branch. We have come to Beirut, which is a Lebanese restaurant, and we personally love Lebanese food. Like I love hummus and pita, which is so like sometimes I even crave to have hummus. Hummus is basically like when you grind or mash chickpeas into a fine paste, or like it's just like a dip or a spread, and it's so delicious. We eat it with pita and like vegetables, or like you can have it with wraps, shawarmas, and it's so delicious. And yeah, we had tried this for the first time in Dubai, and then in Bhubaneswar we first went to the Beirut Ram Mandir branch, like the Beirut which is near Ram Mandir, behind Ram Mandir, and there we tried shawarmas and hummus again, and it was so good. So we had to come here with the Beirut branch, which has opened here recently, just a month ago. And in front of this is the Money apartment. So it's in Raghunathpur. And yeah, we have come here for dinner. Let's see how the food is in here, like the same which we tried last time, or it is different. Yeah. So I had ordered one veg falafel wrap for myself, and inside this I can see vegetables, a falafel, and falafel is also like chickpea pakoras basically. It is vegetarian. It also has French fries and sauces. This shawarma is made with a pita bread. Let's try this. Oh, it looks so good. The sauces made it so flavorful. This is the falafel. It's a simple preparation of like the chickpeas and the veggies, and it also has a lot of veggies, which gives it that freshness, that acidity, and the crunchiness, and the French fries. Oh my god, which is adding so much kick to it. There are also two types of bread which is eaten with hummus. One is khaboosh and another is pita. This is the pita one. This is like a little bit thicker than khaboosh. Khaboosh is very thin, but yeah, it's very nice, very nice. Now we've got this grilled chicken salad, which also has hummus in between, chicken, lettuce, I can see olives, jalapenos, and all like pita bread. So this is basically the pita bread, quite thick. So we're gonna take some chicken, some veggies, and hummus. Lots of hummus. With the taste of hummus, oh my god. Maybe this is a very unpopular opinion. Some people don't like hummus because they feel it's bland. But this, for me, is very delicious. So something that we have ordered. This is a Nizami chicken shawarma. Same thing. It also has French fries. It has chicken, French fries. Here are French fries, chicken, and vegetables. Let's try this. This is very flavorful. The chicken, the kebabs, they are so soft, so moist, and they have such a good tandoor flavor. The sauces, as I said, they make this taste so much better, and the vegetables, amazing. We also have a green apple burger. This tastes like green apple, but it's a little too sweet. But yeah. Overall, the place ambience is super good. Like it's not very big, but it has a very cozy space, and yeah, it is quite nice. Okay, so now we have had ordered this kunafa. I've never tried kunafa before. We tried the kunafa Dubai viral chocolate, but we've never tried the actual dish or the dessert. Yeah, so let's try. It's quite hot, like it has been freshly prepared. There are basically layers. First layer is like the vermicelli, and then there's a cheese layer, I guess, and then another layer, and then pistachios on top. That is so good. It's not sweet. It's just, you know, the vermicellis are dipped in sugar syrup. It's not sweet. Like it's not overly sweet. It's perfect. Okay, so my dad's opinion is that it's not good because the white layer that you see, it tastes like butter or cheese, and the real kunafa is not like this. It's quite different, and they have too much vermicelli. But my mom likes it, and for me, it's decent. Like if you want to try it, it's not bad. I think it's good actually. Yes, I'm gonna try it. If you have never tried kunafa before, you can definitely try it. Overall, I think the food that we had was super great. Like my mom and dad, they even tried a normal kathi roll, like which was Indian, because they also sell Indian here. You'll get a wide variety of Indian as well as Lebanese food. But they thought it was like a very decent normal roll. But yeah, the shawarmas, the hummus, like the Lebanese food, it's just so good. I think overall it was very nice, and I loved my food. My stomach is happy. So yeah, you can definitely come to this place. You can order from Beirut and enjoy. So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.